What's good, everybody? It's Z from The Mask, and we are back with another episode of the Account Growth Series. And as you can see, we are currently sitting at over $812 on the account. We have grown quite significantly recently. I just want to quickly address that I know I didn't upload on Monday, and that is because we are now going to be scheduling these account growth challenge updates for Fridays instead of Mondays. And I'm going to be switching the longer form content onto Mondays. That way it has a bit more time to breathe throughout the week instead of only over the weekend. I'm going to quickly check the last 2 weeks of history because, again, you guys didn't get an update this last Monday. We'll go into custom period here. We'll go from, let's say, the 18th of last time when you got an update up to today. We are up about $30 on the account since then. I know that's not a large amount in dollars, but it is a good percentage gain. If you're looking at an $800 account or a $700 account, you're looking at about a 3 to 4% gain there, which is still very, very strong for just about a week, maybe 2 weeks. But yeah, I'll quickly go over all the positions that we took here. The main profit, pretty much half of the profit, came from this position right here, which was a really nice large buy position. The account will probably get to about $1,000 via deposits sometime soon. I do plan to make another couple $100 of deposits here in the coming days. And at that point, I will update the trade size from this 0.05 up to 0.07, which means we are going to start seeing some faster growth. You can see also there's a lot of dividends here that were just paid as I was holding buy positions, which is an advantage that I get for trading with fusion markets. All of that aside, I do want to remind you guys there is another 2 days left of 50% discounts on everything on the Project ADCA website, which you can find linked below in the description, or you can just go to www.projectadca.com, Project ADCA, and you can find 50% discounts on everything from the trading bots to the source code, all the way to the mentorship that we currently offer for just $100 instead of the standard $200 if you guys do want to kickstart your journey to becoming a trader, to start being able to grow accounts simply and consistently like this. If I go to the last 3 months of profit here, you can see now, this is not 3 months, this is more like a month and a half, but if you look at the last 3 months of history here, you can see we've had a $300, $200, and $150 deposit, which is about, $650 in deposits. We've generated a profit of $175, which is about 24%, roughly, a little under 24%, which is a very, very good gain. Remember, the average market only returns about 10 to 12% per year, and now in about a month and a half, we've managed to achieve more than twice that. So the gain has been very steady, very consistent. Obviously, the account is small, so the dollar amount isn't very impressive, but you guys do have to keep in mind that over these small accounts, you should be looking at percentages, not dollar amounts. Dollar amounts only come in once you have larger accounts. You're probably looking at maybe a balance of 100,000 or more before the dollar balances really start to kick in. Anything before that, you should be looking at percentages, not at dollar amounts. But that is about all I have for you in this video. We're currently waiting for the market to crash a little bit more here. Hopefully, by next week, we'll get a big drop in the market again so I can fill all of these orders, generate some nice profits again. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I have for you guys in this week, and I will see you next Friday.